Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today we have another Taco Tuesday because I got another cool part which I'm super excited to try out. These are from Mace MFG, same guy who makes the custom battery brackets. They are custom radio knobs. So I went with the black TRD just because the entire interior here is black and silver. There's some chrome accents. I thought about like the red because he's got some really cool ones. He's got smiley faces and, you know, little tacos, and the TRD, they have a beautiful like kind of burgundy red color one, but I didn't really do accent colors on the interior. The only thing I have is the red pull tabs in the back, but it's really subtle. I didn't want to start doing a lot of red, so I thought the black was most appropriate. These are USA made, 100%. They're $44.95 for a pair. All right, they are billet aluminum. All right, the ones that come, you know, on the radio, the stock ones are plastic. So as far as install, this should be probably the easiest thing you could possibly do modifying your vehicle. We're going to pull these off and push the new ones on. So let's see if that works. I'm tugging. And it's, there we go, okay. How about that? Slipped off. I'll save those just in case. And then we got to get the TRD ones on. Well, actually, you know what, before I do, let's look at the backs. Let's kind of compare these. All right, so there's the difference. We have a full loop with a little cutout on one side, and then a similar design on these custom ones. All right, so let's see if this just pushes right on. Now, the orientation doesn't matter, because when the radio is off, you can rotate them. Make sure this goes on straight. All right. I think I could push them in a little further. There we go. All right, so they're both on there. Really subtle. You can see the TRD. Just kind of cool. What's interesting is that the left knob, this just smoothly rotates. You know what I'm saying? For volume, whatever. The right knob actually does click, right? Because this is like your tuning button. So there's steps in it, da, 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 you know what I mean? And it still does that. Feels like it's ratcheting or something, you know? So, I mean, it's just, visually it's different. They're a little bit bigger, and they're just custom. Just kind of a cool little touch. So, yeah, that is awesome. I have to say, I'm very excited to see what Mace comes out with. I mean, the guy seems really nice. I was able to talk to him through Instagram. You can send a message if you have any questions or anything. He's got a cool CNC machine, and he's already coming out with some interesting stuff. So I'm sure there'll be all kinds of accessories down the road. But when he posted pictures, because after the battery bracket, I started following him, and he posted pictures on these knobs right away. I knew I wanted them. I just didn't know which ones. You know, the little tacos, the picture of a taco, it's kind of cool. If you're into the whole, you know, taco thing. I thought the TRD was even better. It's subtle. Like I said, I was really fighting with the color because I thought maybe silver, but anything I change, I want to make black, you know. But if you have an accent color in your vehicle, you know, he could probably do that for you. You just have to talk to him. But yeah, I mean, super cool though. Awesome. So, yep, that's all. Taco Tuesday. Got some aftermarket knobs for my radio. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.